Welcome back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing some tutorials to help you do better in understanding what time slots is. Okay? So, do you struggle making time slots on Google Calendar? If that is you, you're in the right place. Here, I'm going to show you simple ways, step-by-step procedures to help you do it well and successfully. Okay? So without further delay, let us begin. And where we're going to begin is first you need to open up Google, just like you see here on my page. Make sure that when you're on Google that you logged in the Google account with the school account. In this case, it will be McKinney. Okay, just make sure that when you check it, like for my case, afrederick7 at mckinney.com. So I'm ready for that. Okay. Now, for one of the first things after you've done that, the next thing you need to do is go to Google Calendar, where you have these 9 dots right here. Okay. I'm circling it right here. You press it, and they give you different apps icons to use. You're gonna pick Calendar right here, with the symbol 31 in the middle. Okay. You press it. It is going to open this kind of page for you. Okay. Next procedure you want to do is you're going to pick Thursday, all right, for the Advisee Parent Conference. So you pick here, you bring your mouse and you click it here, and this is going to open up a page. Okay. Before entering the title, I recommend just pressing appointment slots right here. Okay. Then you go to the title here and type in advisor parent conference. You're free to name it different ways that you want to do it. Okay. Then I pick the starting time. I'm going to pick 10, and I'm going to pick an end time that it needs to be around 4 hours. I'm going to pick 2 p.m. for example. You could do it longer. You could change the timing based on what you want to do. Okay. Then I'm gonna limit that every time slot has this needs to be consistent in the minutes. So I'm gonna pick 15 minutes to visit, to talk to the different parents. Okay. Once you finish all of that, you're gonna press save. Okay. So then you see here that is saved there. So let's press it. But when I press it now, I'm going to go to the appointment page here. The blue sentence here. You press it so you get the address, the web address, to copy and paste it for parents to have. Okay? So I'm going to press that. It will open me a new page. And you're going to see here, this is the address for parents to go to so that they could click in where they're going to sign up at what hour. For example, they have different boxes here, so I only press one box. When I press this box, a parent could choose that they want to meet with me from 10 to 10:15 in the morning. If that's what they choose, they type their name and they press save, and it will tell me that this parent, for example, Miss Robinson, has signed up to meet with me for 10 to 10:15. Okay? And etc. Different time slots. By putting in 15 minutes, like we said before, it provides more options for parents to meet with you and talk with you. All right? So after that, after you finish doing that, I recommend that you go to the web address here on top and you highlight it and you copy that. After you finish doing that, you need to open another tab with Google here. Then I recommend going to Google Classroom. Go to the 9 dots again. You press it. You press the Classroom, which is in green. It has an outline that is yellow. Okay? Classroom. You wait for it. And then, since this is advisory, you pick advisors. For me, in my case, is here. And for the parents, you're going to stream that here. So I'm going to put that here. You copy, you paste it. So now the parents are able to keep it and have it ready for them to use there. Here I'm going to schedule for later. I'll schedule it for tomorrow so that they can see it. So that tomorrow it will appear for them to do it there. Okay? All right? That way the parents come up, they see it in the advisory. You can also tell your students to also go there and see and have your parents sign up to meet with the advisor. Okay? So that's how you would do it. Simple way, procedure, so that you don't get confused and you know exactly what you need to be doing. Okay? That is it for today, guys. This is Mr. Frederick, out.